Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to the perfect place for makeup tutorials, product reviews, challenges, skincare, and more. So today we're not going to be doing any tutorials or reviews. Instead, we're going to be going through an entire huge box of all kinds of new products that I won in my biggest giveaway ever. So if you guys want to go through all these products with me and also find out how you can win one of my own little giveaway bundles at the end of this video, keep on watching. Okay guys, like I said, today I thought it'd be kind of fun to go through this box of products that I won in my biggest giveaway win ever. So over on Instagram, Blend Bunny was doing a giveaway of a bunch of these products, and there were stipulations to enter this giveaway, of course, as there always are, and I entered like 42 times total. Like I entered so many times by tagging, all these different people and sharing it to my stories and etc, etc. So I was so excited when I got my notification from her saying that I won this giveaway, because I don't win stuff too often. So I was really excited also because all of these products are brand new to me. I've never tried any of these products. And there are also brands that I've never tried before that I've always wanted to. So not only is this amazing to get a bunch of free products, but also it's amazing because I can create all kinds of new content with new products to keep my channel fresh and new and exciting. Now lately over on Twitter, I've been doing a couple giveaways of these little bundles of extra makeup products that I have. I have a bin that I keep set aside, and whenever I buy extra products or I receive extra products from brands that I don't need or don't want or don't like, I place them over there. When I accumulate enough, I give them away to some people just to be nice, and everyone needs new products and it helps people out, especially if they're a beauty YouTuber. So last week I sent out 3 of these bundles to some of my followers over on Twitter. So I'm gonna also send out 2 more at the end of this video. So I will get into that a little bit later, so make sure you're watching this video so you can find all the details on how to enter. Okay, so let's jump into some products. I'm really excited about this. So I have this huge box sitting here and I'm just gonna kind of go like one by one through all these products, and I'll try and talk kind of quickly, which is like nothing new. But I just think it'd be kind of fun to go through these products and talk about them quickly. But if you also have tried any of these products, I would appreciate if you'd let me know in the comments below your thoughts on these products, whether you like them, whether you hate them, whether you want to try them. So get on it. So starting us off, we have a Morphe palette. This is an artistry palette, and it's a very neutral palette. Now, this isn't my go-to type of palette, obviously. So it is nice to have neutrals once in a while, especially with fall and Halloween coming up. So it'll probably get used at some point, just not right now. Next up, we have a palette from the Crayon Case. This is called the Matte Book. So this I looked at the other day, and I was really excited because it's got all the colors that I love. So this is a perfect rainbow palette, plus there are a bunch of warmer tone neutrals down here at the bottom. So it's kind of a perfect palette. So I am really excited to dip into this. It'll definitely be one you'll be seeing on my channel here soon. Okay, up next we have this palette from Nomad Cosmetics. This is called the Kiss of Sun palette. So this is really pretty. I like their packaging. I've only tried some of their eyeshadows, but there's some blush, some bronzers, contour colors, so that's really pretty. I think this will look really nice on me. So definitely will be giving this a try soon. I usually stick to the same type of contouring products because that's just how I am, but definitely would like to try that. Now, what else do we have? What do we got? I have a highlighter and blush duo from Colored Rain X Power. Now, I've never tried any Colored Rain products, but I've always wanted to. And it looks like this. Those are beautiful colors. Now, definitely that's not a color that I could wear just because it's so dark. So definitely this will be something that is going to be set aside for somebody else just because it's what you do. So continuing on with palettes, I have a couple more. This is an Ofra Pro palette. Now, I've never tried any Ofra Cosmetics before, so I'm really excited to try this. Now, the pants are pretty small. Well, I guess they're not terrible, but I would just expect them to be a bit bigger, but they are very colorful, and I like that there's so many different colors to choose from. Now, I don't think a lot of these colors go together, but definitely could be like a supplemental palette, but I'm excited to try out their formulas. Then I have an eyeshadow palette from Pop Beauty. Looks like this. Definitely a lot of different shades in there. It's kind of all over the place. Like, this is not really appealing, but like, they tried. Okay, so let's jump into some other products. I have a Morphe eyelid primer, which I really like this a lot, and I'm getting low on my other one. Usually on camera, I use my P. Louise base. It's my holy grail eyeshadow base, but sometimes I use my Morphe primer. Then we have the Pop-Up Pastel from Morphe. This is matte lipstick trio. So I'm really excited to try that. I love a good matte lipstick. Hopefully they are these colors, which I'm assuming they are because they're stunning. So definitely we'll try those out. What do we got? I got a little eyelash curler, even though I've never used one before, but maybe I should start. I got a beauty sponge from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Perfecting Puff. Fun, pretty color. What is this? I have a ColourPop pressed powder blush called Tearing Up My Heart. Looks like that. That's definitely a color I would use. Yeah, that's a cool color. So from Pixi, I have a glittery quad, so that's really pretty. Now, I'm not a huge fan of glitters like this because they just are super messy, but I'll give it a try, maybe. We'll see. I have these press-on nails, which I don't wear nails, so like those obviously are gonna go to somebody or like my sister probably. Then from Makeup Revolution, I have the Rose Fizz Makeup Fixing Spray, which if you don't know the difference between a fixing spray and a setting spray, fixing is pretty much to help get your powders blended together, refresh your makeup, just kind of fix it. And a setting spray is obviously meant to set your face into place and create a barrier and keep it lasting throughout the day. So I'm really excited to try this because I love Makeup Revolution so much. Now from Milani, which I love Milani so much, their 2-in-1 foundation is my favorite. I have the Dragon Fruit Peach Scented Setting Spray, so like I want to try it. I didn't even set my face today. Oh, that is, oh my, no. It smells so good. It literally smells like dragon fruit and I'm obsessed. What do we got? I have something from Zoe, never heard of them. What is this? It's an intense gel highlighter. Okay, we'll try it, why not? Okay, another product from Makeup Revolution is some skincare, which I'm really excited to try out. Y'all know I'm a hoe for skincare, so this is just a strong moisturizer, so definitely will be trying that out and letting you know how I like that. What else is in this big old box? I have some little like gems and rhinestones, little bedazzle things for my eyeballs. I have a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Duo. This is from the Sabrina collection, so that'd be pretty. I think that darker one over on this side, that'll be really pretty. You could do a cool ombre look with that too, so maybe I'll try that out. Then I have from, what is this, NYX? It's a little thing of glitter. I actually have some of these. I do like them. From Ciate London, I have the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Comes in a package like this. Let's open it up. This is in the shade Wicked. If I can open it, maybe. Don't mess with me. Oh my gosh. So, ooh, that's pretty. I don't want to take the lid off. It's going to go over. It looks like this. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. It's kind of squishy. We'll see how that performs. Maybe that's better than other glitter shadows. Now I have a highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Sunset Aura Loose Highlighter. Looks like this. I've never gotten to try any of these highlighters like this from ABH, so definitely excited about that. I also have a Dewy Set Setting Spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm really excited about that. I don't think I've ever tried this before. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it's the little guy. How cute is that? Ooh. That smells really nice. Give me the glow. Give me the dewy. Okay, from Suva. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I didn't even see this before. I have the Suva Hydra FX liner. This is in the shade Scrunchy. So these, you pretty much can get like a detailing brush and you put a little bit of water in it and you can kind of like smooth it around and it'll become like a liquid and you can use it for cool liner. So I've always wanted to try these, so I'm actually very excited about that. I have a little Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, which is pretty good. I did do a video before where I compared that primer to the P. Louise base, which is my favorite. So definitely go check that out if you'd like to see my thoughts between the two. From ColourPop, I have a Slice of Life bundle. It's a lip gloss. This is in the shade, oh, Slice of Life, duh, I just said that. Oh, there's two in there. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Definitely love these. Those are intense. I might use this one, but like probably not this one. I'll figure that out later. I really like that a lot. Then I have from Lime Crime, I can't even see what that says. Velveteens, is that what it says? Probably. So we're gonna open this little guy up. Is that what that says? Velveteen? Sure. This is in the shade Virgo, but I can't open it. These packages are trying me today, I tell you what. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that smells incredible. Looks like that. If you can see it, not really. Kinda, yeah. That smells so delicious. Oh, I want to lick it. Now from NYX, I have two colors of the Epic Ink liners. I love these so much. These are one of my absolute favorites now. I have a blue and a red, so definitely could be used for some fun eyeshadow looks. It also is for your body too. It says Eye and Body Liquid Liner, so definitely could be good for some Halloween looks. Also from ColourPop, I have a metallic liquid liner. So let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, that's pretty. like a gold copper. That's pretty. Okay, another product from Pixi is a Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper. I've never tried a lip plumper, I don't believe. But it looks like this. I like all their packaging because it's very like summery watermelon cookout, and I like that. It smells amazing. It smells like minty. I already got my lips plumped a little bit, so like we don't really need it, but we're gonna try it because why not? Ooh, so one of the most exciting items is this bad boy. When you open it up, there's some brushes inside, and Morphe brushes are my favorite brushes. They're literally perfect, and I've always wanted some that are like a little bit fancier looking, so I have these guys now. How beautiful are those? They're all like crystally and shiz. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I've literally wanted to use these since I got them, but I didn't want to use them because I wanted to do this video, and I didn't want them to be dirty. So I'm very, very, very excited about that. Then I have a product from Huda Beauty. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Now, if you've watched my channel for a little while or followed me on social media, you would know in the past I had some issues with Huda Beauty, how they run their business, how they kind of had some alleged copying of brands like Beauty Bakery and Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I recently asked on Twitter what people thought about giving brands or people, you know, second chances, you know, especially if it's not something too crazy, like they didn't like murder anybody. But have you seen that TikTok where like all the little animals are like,
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal until I killed somebody.
But anyway, I've been thinking about giving Huda Beauty a second chance. I think they've done a little bit better as far as their marketing and like, you know, staying in their own lane and their own ideas. So I probably will give it a try. I've never used any of their products, but maybe I'll try, we'll see. Then from Ciate, I have a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I believe I've seen someone review this on YouTube, but I don't know who. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. I would want to use this just because. Oh, I used a Ciate primer. Yeah, I have an illuminating one that was sent to me and it was terrible. I don't want to pump it out, but it might smell good. It looks like it would smell good. I told you I'm going to talk fast and we'll get right through all these. I have this huge package from Soul Beauty. Now, I'm really excited about this. This is a Gradual Sunless Tanning Lotion, medium to deep. Now, I usually tan a lot throughout the year. I used to be like so dark. This year and last year I've started to not tan as much. I'm very, very pale now, but it's fine. So I would like to try out this type of product. Hopefully it works well, and it's from Soul, so they're great, so I can't imagine this not being great. So we're ending this little giveaway bundle with some lashes. I have a package from the Lash Bar. This is the Girls Night Out collection. There are 3 styles. You have Ibiza, Pico Boulevard, and Dirty Dancer. So these ones will be amazing for my single eye looks where I'm all like half eye closed, like looking up. Those ones, and I could definitely probably use these ones. I might have to trim them a little bit because I don't have like a lot of space, but definitely could be used for some looks. Then I have some lashes from Carity. These are definitely more wearable lashes. They're definitely very long, but I'll have to trim them a little bit. Thankfully, they are faux mink lashes. Ooh, I gotta find out, are these? Ooh, we can't use these. We're not using these. These are mink lashes, so like I don't want to give these to somebody because it's still like allowing someone to use them and like knowing that I gave them to them, and I don't support wearing mink lashes. So like, I don't know. That's like a conundrum. Like, do I give them to someone else or do I just throw them away? I'll think about it. If you want them, just let me know. Then I finally have a pair of Tati lashes, which I'm excited about. I've never used any Tati lashes before. These are in the style Profile Pick. Now these are really pretty. They're very like full, but they're very like thin at the same time. I don't know. They're weird, but I like them. So are these mink lashes? No, these are made using highest quality synthetic fibers. So good, because we don't want to use baby animals for that if we don't have to. So that is my big old box of giveaway items. Like I said, I will be using probably 90% of this. Some of these items are gonna go in my bin and add to my little collection. So if you're like, Cody, how can I win a little bundle? Well, this giveaway isn't really a giveaway, but like, we're just gonna call it that. But if you would like to win your own little bundle of makeup products, all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel and make sure you give this video a like and make sure you at least comment once or twice on my video. I'm gonna go through and the winners will be chosen by the comments. There are unlimited entries. You can also comment on other videos and make sure you like them as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of the comments that I get starting from the day this video is uploaded, and I'm probably gonna go for about 3 days, and I'm gonna take all those comments and I'm gonna put it into a random selector and I'm gonna pick 2 winners, and that's how it's gonna be. So good luck. Now, that little giveaway is not endorsed by YouTube or anything. There's a disclaimer in the video description because we gotta do it all legit, you know, YouTube be trying us. But I hope you enjoyed today's little video. I thought it was a fun little you and me moment where we just get to run our mouths, look at new products, and see some new products that you're gonna be seeing on my channel. How many times can I say see in 5 seconds? But anyway, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.